Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is part 2 of the f30 build. I didn't really record me getting the bumper on or straightening the fender because I don't know how I'm supposed to do it, but I guess I'll record things from now on. I'm gonna get it painted soon. Got the fender straightened out. It wasn't straight before. The bumper is in barely, like as you can see, the air ducts are not even here, so this thing's not even attached to it. But we actually got the hood aligned. I mean, not the best, but temporarily. It used to be a huge gap, but it looks better now. It's not that bad. But so yeah, then now we're looking for the headlights, finding those. We're gonna take it to the body shop, get it painted, and or paint shop actually, and it'll come back and it'll be the same color. So yeah. Okay, so quick update on what has gone on so far. Yeah, I did a lot without filming, and that is my bad. I just couldn't find my tripod, and so I couldn't prop it up to actually film what I'm actually doing. But here's the dealio. Radiator support on both hood latches. I was able to save. One of them actually was stuck, and I managed to get it out. I'll put the photo in a little bit. Got the reinforcement in, lower brackets in. Everything looks good so far. Radiator is good, no frame damage. Everything was able to fit perfectly cleanly, except this right here. As you can see, this top part, the top part was is that holds the radiator is good, but the bottom one is still stuck on the old one, and that comes with pop rivets. So yeah, that'll be hard to get in and get out. See, that's all I was done with the exterior. You can see the fog, the horns are plugged back in. Figured out that the inner fender, probably gonna have to change it. The old one is crap. Yeah, this thing's like torn, so that's not good. Not a lot of parts, but this is what was. I actually ordered this not too long ago, the V-strut, so that'll be coming in soon. All right, so we got the hood semi-aligned. We got it on with my hood bro. He helped me out here, so got the hood aligned a little bit. Next, we're gonna fix this fender, obviously. Just can't put the bumper on before I fix it. Why do I even have it out here? But we're gonna try to put it on and get it ready for the painter. So yeah, that is all for the exterior. Moving on to the interior. Also, before we go into the interior, I got this. Someone got me this for my birthday. A very special person. Really nice. Look how it just look at that. That's what I'm talking about. That, yeah, it just definitely matches the car. That's a game changer. I love it. Able to get the wheel bag airbag in. That came in not too long ago. The red start stop button. That's like one of the first mods anyone does to their BMW. I want to call it a mod, but my old one was worn out in the first place. Let's see if I have it here somewhere. Probably threw it out, but that thing was worn out, so I'm glad I finally got that taken care of. We got the seat buckle out, and no, the seat buckle is over here. Got the belt out, that's what we did, and we got the seat buckle out. And in order to take the buckle out, I had to take off the whole entire seat, which is a pain. But I didn't even have to take it out the car. You just tilt it some way and you're able to take the buckle out. But yeah, the belt's also out, and we're gonna have to ship those to myairbags.com, and they're gonna have to do their thing and send it back to me, blah blah blah. So that's that. So to conclude the breakdown video, everything that is broken or needed repair is gone out. Interior is ready to be reassembled once the things come in. I've already got the wheel airbag, as I said. The curtain airbag is going to come in. Put that in, put the seat and buckle in. Interior will be done. Another thing I forgot to mention about the interior is, right, so I forgot to go show you guys the stuff I took out from the interior. Here's the old curtain airbag. Literally looks like a missile or some kind of bullet, I don't know. But yeah, this is it. These cost about 200 bucks. Not too bad. I actually found the old start-stop button, and now you guys can see why I changed it. It looks super ugly. The seatbelt buckle, as you can see, it's inward. That's how you know if you have a buckle blown or not. yeah, that's everything we took in from the interior. We are gonna hook the battery up to show you guys a quick startup, because you guys haven't seen that yet. She turns on, everything's good. Battery discharging will stop. Yep, so yeah, let's give it a quick little start.